picked up these cones for a kid event I'm hosting, and 72 pieces, 7 inches, multicolors. They look immediately fun and kid-friendly, which I really like. What I like about these is the multi-use fun. These are going to be perfect for the field day event, but also soccer drills, obstacle courses, relay races, even toddler stacking games that these could be used for. They're going to be easy to store. They come in this bag, so easy to put back in them, and simple storage. They're very durable. They are going to be able to withstand tough play, being kicked around, being knocked around. They are solid. Final verdict is, if you've got active kids or just love a good backyard setup, these cones are really a no-brainer. They're tough, they're fun, and they're incredibly versatile. I would pick these up again in a second. Highly recommend.